Hi, I'm very excited to help introduce the first member of the Xilinx UltraScale Plus portfolio, the 16nm Zynq UltraScale Plus ZU9 device. This device combines the programmability of Xilinx FPGA logic with a powerful heterogeneous multiprocessing subsystem. Within a week of receiving first silicon for these devices, we have already had great success in our initial validation efforts. One of the most critical systems to bring up on any new silicon are the memory interfaces. Today, we're going to take a peek at how well these systems are already running using the DDR4 SDRAM IP in the programmable logic. Here we can see the Zynq UltraScale Plus ZU9 EV device in a socket on the ZU1751 evaluation board. DDR4 components are soldered onto the board. We have connected this by 32-bit memory interface to the programmable logic side of the chip. We set the input reference clock to 500 MHz and then multiply it up internally to 2667 megabits per second. Looking at the scope, we can see the data eye with PRBS23 here on this scope, and the data eye shows very low jitter running realistic switching fabric logic. This mimics a typical system and shows the robustness of Zynq's memory interfaces. Now let's show how we got here. Using the hardware manager, we were able to bring up the DDR4 interface within 5 minutes of putting the part on the board, and see that both the calibration stages had passed and as well as the read and write margin. We can see the part has been programmed and that all the calibration stages have passed. The green bars here show the passing window, and the orange bar shows the smallest window. With a complex and aggressive data pattern, I have a huge margin to the left of about 118 picoseconds and to the right of 122 picoseconds for a total read window of 240 picoseconds. I now switch over to write margin display and can see the left and right sides read about 122 picoseconds each for a total window size of 244 picoseconds. Next, let's take a look at the internal logic analyzer capture, where we can see that we have no bit errors running at 2667 megabits per second. We now expand this and you can see the PRBS23 data being captured on the read side. You can see we have the industry's first 16nm FPGA Zynq UltraScale Plus DDR4 running at 2667 megabits per second error-free for a 48-hour duration, with low jitter and plenty of margin. While other videos are available to demonstrate the robustness of the processing system, this demo is a testament to the quality of the device's programmable logic and how it can enable the highest bandwidth interfaces. Thanks for watching.